with the Fit Fork, and I'm going to show you today how to make a delicious spring side dish, roasted garlic basil artichokes, and literally it takes 5 minutes to prepare, 15 minutes to cook. So delicious, such a treat, and one of the things that makes it so easy are these frozen herbs from Dorot Gardens. Basil and garlic is what I'm using today, but they also come in ginger and cilantro, and this has just been such a blessing for me in the kitchen because I can add a ton of flavor to my on-the-fly meals without having to keep fresh herbs in my produce bin, which go bad, and it really helps me elevate my plate. So let me show you how to make the roasted basil and garlic artichokes. You are going to love it. Find these in the freezer section of your grocery store, and look for where the frozen vegetables are, and usually on the top shelf you'll find the Dorot Gardens, and see on the back they come in little individual portion sized servings, so you just pop out what you need for your recipe.